I bought the Tesla for 5 bands. Runs and drives. Cadillac, I just told you guys, 2 bands. Toyota Camry, I think I got it for like 4,000. Yesterday, I won the car. Yesterday, I paid for it. Yesterday, I got it delivered. Today, I posted it. Boom, quick. You have to move quick in this business. And any business actually in life. Money loves speed. YouTube. We got no plate on the car, no plate, no case. YouTube. We back at you with another video, another day in the life as a car dealer here in North Carolina. We're coming to you live from Charlotte, North Carolina. Boys. We got a crazy day today. There's a lot going on. I just got delivered a car yesterday. Boom, we got the title. And boom, we got the key. It's for a Cadillac. The boy driving luxury. Here's the car. It snowed last night for the first time. I think it was the first time it snowed this year. So here's the car. We're looking like slight damage. We'll get that fixed. Slight damage. We'll get this fixed. New headlight. New whatever fog light trim piece down here. Yeah, it's a trim piece. So new trim piece, new headlight. Fender might be saved. And we'll fix the door. Let's see what's cracking. Dang. This is wicked. Oh yeah, it's actually stuck on this side. Oh, there you go. Engine bay looks pretty clean. We got coolant. We gotta check the oil before we turn on any car. It's pretty dark, so we will need an oil change soon. It's a moment of truth. Bismillah. Bada bing, bada boom, folks. Once again, I bought this car sight unseen from Copart, as I always do. And of course, State Farm is the seller. As always, I teach you guys, you gotta buy from insurance companies. I just got off a phone call with somebody today, actually. He told me he bought 2 clean title cars from IAA. And I'm like, oh boy, I already know there's mechanical problems. And of course, he said there were mechanical problems. It was a BMW. He had the electrical issues. I was already knowing. But yeah, you guys gotta buy salvage title. Don't be afraid of salvage title. It's the auction for a reason. It's the salvage auction, right? If it's clean title, who's selling you the car if it's clean title? It's not the insurance company. They're not selling the clean title cars. Insurance company is selling salvage only. That's who we buy from. We buy salvage cars, we fix them up, and we sell them. See, easy fix. We're not buying no crazy frame damage. We're not buying no suspension damage. We're not buying airbags deployed. None of that. This is easy fix, guys. A headlight, fix these 2 parts, these pieces, and that's it. Call it a day. All right, let's go for a quick spin. Make sure it's good, and then we'll open up the gate and get started with everything else we gotta do today. All right, let's go ahead for a quick spin, see what's cracking. Got the car in reverse, we out. Something's scraping, I guess, in the front from the accident. So I guess we'll just drive it right here real quick. Make sure everything's good. We got no plate on the car, no plate, no case. You already know how it is. What are you beeping at? Okay, front sensor is bad, of course. That's what the accident was. Goes in gear, everything is fine. Steering is good. Yeah, that's fine. We don't even gotta drive the car much. Sensor's going off of course, from the accident. Yeah, we'll go ahead and open up the gate, put this car in there, and then we'll start the day. We got a lot going on today, guys. But yeah, that's the car. Just delivered. Boom. We got another car thing getting delivered today or either tomorrow. So we'll wait on that. And like I told you guys, I won this car for like $2,100, I think. But maybe even less. I don't even remember. But around $2,000-$3,000 I got this car. So good deal on that. All right, so boom, we got the title. It's the title that they send us from the auction. So gotta put this in a folder. Put this over here. Put that in the folder. And if you, actually, here's the receipt. Oh wow, I actually bought it for less than. Hold on. All right, see, sale price. I was the winning bid at $1,500 after all their fees. Came out to $2,030 after fees and everything. $2,000 for that car, guys. Runs and drives, no check engine light, nothing wrong with it. No airbags deployed, nothing like that. I see some comments where some of you guys are saying like, there's no way you're buying cars for that price at, for that cheap. If I wasn't making any money, I would not be able to pay the rent here. I would not be able to, afford to eat, right? Guys, come on. I'm not capping when I tell you guys I'm buying these cars for that price. Like that Tesla. I bought the Tesla for 5 bands. It runs and drives, 77,000 miles, 5 bands. The Cadillac, I just told you guys, 2 bands. This Toyota Camry, I think I got it for like 4,000. Like, guys, these steals are going through every single day on the auction. You just need to know where to look, you know how to look, and you need to know how to bid. Those are the things that a lot of you guys mess up at. But we'll go ahead and open up the gate and get this car inside. Let's get it. All right, boom. Open it up. Man, the winter arc has began, y'all. Got snow outside. So yeah, so this Infiniti Q50, I'm actually making a whole video on this car by itself just because it's like a perfect case study. But anyway, this car, it was recovered theft. So the car was stolen and then recovered. Oh, hold on, someone's calling me. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, you can fit some more bucks in it.
How much?
50.
50 more? Oh, yeah, that's fine, no problem. Just text me your company info. I'll dispatch. All right, thank you. All right, boom. So that's the driver. I picked up a car from New York that I have. So we'll send him that. For $700, he's going to pick it up, bring it all the way to North Carolina. So we'll do that. Anyway, this car was covered theft. Literally no damage in the car anywhere at all besides the sunroof. So I got a new sunroof already installed yesterday night. Someone came, one of the mechanics I used, he came at night, installed it. Bada bing, bada boom. Here's what the car's looking like. So there we go. Literally no damage anywhere. Maybe, I guess this front right here has a little bit of scuffs, but nothing crazy at all. So, yep, here's the car. The battery is not in here right now because the battery, see the battery's missing? Because the battery is charging in the garage. When the car sits for a long time at the auction, you gotta charge the battery. Gang, it's brick out here, but it is what it is. We're about to open up this garage. Boom. We got the battery charger right here. Hold on. Let me turn this off because this should be charged. If it's charged, this lights blue, right? But it's not lighting blue. So let me see what's going on with this. I have no idea. Usually this light's blue though. I know that when it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and take this battery over there, plug it in, and then get going. See if it turns on. There's juice. See if it turns on. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, wait. That boy see it. That John did work. I'm gonna be done with this car at like $6,500. I won the car for $6,100. I'm gonna pay probably $100 for the sunroof, so that's $62. Oil change, buying the oil and everything, we're at $63. The transport was $64, and then we're just throwing in an extra $100 to make it even. $6,500. I'll be done with this car. I could probably sell this car for like $11,000 to $12,000 because it's a sport. So boom. All right, so now we gotta order some parts for that Cadillac that came in. All right, so here's the headlight we're gonna get for the Cadillac. It's OEM. OEM is always better. OEM just means original, like from manufacturer, like it's not aftermarket. OEM is better because it comes with the bulbs, comes with everything. We got the thing ordered, we got the camo going. Anyway, so we'll go ahead and get the scanner and we're gonna scan and see if that car is ready for inspection. Let's see, scanner. Q50. Come over here, check it out. Hopefully, maybe it is ready. And if it's not, then we'll just drive this car home. Okay, you just have to drive the car to pass the inspection. Anyway, so we'll plug this in. All right, we'll put it to ignition. And this will turn on. Now, literally, we just go down, click OBD2. It'll talk to the car, and boom. So you see it says monitors complete 2. That means this car will not pass inspection. Monitors complete, it has to be at least 7, or it can be 8. So this number has to be 7 or 8. So we need to drive the car some. I might drive it home today, come back tomorrow so it's reset, and then we can go ahead and pass inspection, take pictures, wash it, all that good stuff. All right, gang, change of plans. I'm gonna go ahead and just wash this Q50 through drive-through car wash, vacuum the inside real quick, and just take pictures. All right, and away we go. First, I'm gonna go get gas. This thing has literally no gas at all. There you go, fill her up. After this, we'll go ahead and go to the car wash. Boom, made it to drive-through car wash. We're gonna get washed up, and then we'll vacuum the inside, clean everything out, and it'll be ready for pictures. Take the pictures, and then we'll do the oil change and inspection either today or tomorrow, whenever the car is ready. So let's get going. Yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside, and I'll show you guys that. All right, y'all, heading back to the shop. We're gonna wipe down the inside, wipe down all the plastics and everything, add air to the tires so we can turn off that light, and then we'll go take the pictures. That's it. And as always, if you're interested in learning how to flip cars like this, make sure to click the link down in the description below to book a call, or if you want one-on-one mentorship and the whole program through me, then click that link down below. Invest in yourself, invest in some knowledge so you know what you're doing, and yeah, catch you there. All right, boom, got done wiping it down with some of this Magic Solutions Poly Protectant. Get a nice little shine to it. Okay, now we come over here, grab 2 of these. All right, we got everything ready. Now we can go take the pictures. All right, we're at the spot where we take pictures at. I'm gonna go ahead and take the pictures, show you guys how they come out. All right, boom, so you guys saw the pictures. I posted the car on Facebook, so there we go. Car is posted. Now, what we need to go do is park this car up and just wait for someone to come buy the car. I won this car yesterday. I posted it today. That's how quick you need to move in this business. Yesterday, I won the car. Yesterday, I paid for it. Yesterday, I got it delivered. Yesterday, I fixed the sunroof. Today, I washed it. Today, I posted it. Boom, quick. You have to move quick in this business, and any business actually in life. Money loves speed. Q50 is basically done. There's nothing else that I could do for right now. Mechanics come in, do oil change, and I'll drive it home today, come back tomorrow, do the inspection, and that's it. So we'll move on to the next car, which is this Q50. This Q50, we need to install some pieces. This center console thing doesn't work, so that's why it's all unplugged and everything. I'm trying to get it to work. It does not work, so I need to figure that out. And also, we need to install these pieces back in and everything. So I'll install all the pieces back in. Got this installed back in. And there's some pieces here, as you can see. All the carpet and stuff. We had to throw everything out, like all the carpet out of this car, because it just smelled terrible. There you go. We got everything plugged in. Besides that one piece, I'll look again if I have it anywhere. I don't think I do though. But everything else is plugged in. Good to go. Close this up. Done with this side. Now we need to go ahead and install these parts right here. Yeah, I'm so confused. I do not know where this goes. This clips to something. I just don't know what. And I've been looking for like the past couple minutes. I don't see where this thing could even go. I cannot find where that connector goes. Like, I don't know at all. But I'm just gonna reconnect this, and hopefully it's nothing crazy. If you guys know, please let me know. Amigos.
What's up?
¿Qué pasa?
You here?
Boy Santiago's here. Let's go, Santiago.
What's up?
My friend. YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Hey, go, my friend.
¿Qué pasa?
Oh, good.
¿Todo bien?
Professional.
Professional mechanic.
Yeah.
Sí. Oil change this one.
Okay, my friend.
Sí.
I turn out the Tesla.
He actually pulled up to do the oil change on that car, and I'm gonna keep working on this one. All right, I got boy Santiago. YouTube coming soon, right?
Yeah, I know.
YouTube coming soon.
Yeah, I watch.
Soon. We got a customer that came to test driving the Camry right now. As you can see, he's missing. Test driving the Camry, and I think they finished the oil change. You guys finished the oil change?
The oil is ready.
Oil change is ready. We good to go.
10 minutes express, fast right now.
Yeah, best in the business, man. Y'all tap in. But yeah, so they did oil change. They're touch out in the Camry. I'm almost done on this white Q50. It's just that screens that don't work, man. I don't know what it is. Let me show y'all. Y'all can see about everything installed. Basically, just these little trim pieces go on the side, and this is a screen and everything. This was supposed to go here. It just doesn't turn on for whatever reason. So I need to go get this checked out. If you guys know anybody that can fix this, please let me know. All right, y'all, quick update. The mechanics left. The people came back for the test drive for the Toyota. I don't know. They said like it needed tires. That's why they didn't want to buy it. But it is what it is. But yeah, back to this Infiniti. Y'all can see we got a lot of the stuff installed. We got a couple more pieces to install, and then we should be good. We're gonna take pictures, get this car ready for sale. Actually, I have to go pray. I just forgot. But yeah, anyway, quick update. Somebody came to test drive the Nissan Maxima. So they just came and they just left with the car to go test drive it. And I'll be taking this car home today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and pull my Q50 in so I can take this car home. So let's go ahead and see. Maybe they bought the car, maybe not, but we'll gotta find out. YouTube, that's a wrap for the day, and it's a wrap for the video. As y'all can see, that Nissan is still missing. Customers bought the car. Alhamdulillah, thank God. They bought the car, so I forgot how much we made on that car. I think we made like 2 bands on that car, so alhamdulillah, not bad. We're in the Q50 Sport. We're taking this car home so we can get the monitors ready for inspection tomorrow. So yeah, sold the car. We locked the shop up. Go ahead and get everything ready. Take this Q50 home. I feel like I'm just yapping now at this point, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.